Hi, my wonderful subscribers. Everyone's asking for an update on these stepping stones over here that I made, and I continue to make since I need to finish my project. They're looking good, no crumbles. I do have one that broke in half, but I put it on uneven ground is why it broke. So make sure the ground's level and you should have no problems with them. Have they fallen apart? Have they crumbled? How has the thawing from winter to summer, how have they held up? Well, let's see. And the shadows here are the other stones I've made. Here are the ones I made. In the video. Here are those stepping stones I've done over the years here. Still need to fill in the stones between. Still holding up strong. Here are the ones I did in my videos. As you can see, no crumbling. No crumbling at all. Nice and hard. They're all stepping. Hey guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'll be happy to make more videos.